I have his design shirt on.
Lolapalooza 2020. Danny Carolyn cooking up.
Check out my sign. Check out my chest.
Just let everybody look at your chest.
I did that so everyone would look at my chest line.
Good morning, Bundy.
I have his design shirt on.
Lolapalooza 2020. Yeah, I waited till she started.
You had the record button on?
Yes, I do. I thought about
I do
you.
that all the time. I do that all the time.
That's right. And Billy's over here. What you got? Biscuits? Oh, I love that shirt.
Do you like my shirt?
Yeah.
I met that really cool guy.
Yeah.
After he stole my other one.
That's another story.
It's going to work so much better.
You got ripped.
Got 1 point on that one?
Yeah. Oh, it fell in. Fell in.
Get it?
No, he shook it like an earthquake. Here's our bean counter. Yeah.
Hey, you know you only have 3 points?
You got a tough job over here.
I do.
Well, I don't know if you can really see it or not. We're gonna see what Eric thinks about my concoction I created.
It's got cheese, it's got meat, it's got all the good things I like. And Fritos. Hey, you need to grab some
We
of
need to be truthful.
No, it's awesome. It's great.
You need to grab some of that boudin too. It's pretty good.
That's perfect. Not too spicy either. Not too spicy at all. It's perfect.
We're gonna make 2 of those, and then
I'm gonna get some of that.
Eric gets the rest of this to travel around the world.
Don't worry.
We're gonna show here. Look, check out. There's Eric's meal.
Thank you guys.
Rex.
Yep.
Rex's trailer over there. And Billy.
Hey, Billy
We
finally
got-
made it.
With some more meat. Uncle Steve Shake sitting over there. That's where the goodness was made, right there. That's right. We go out here. Flag ain't doing too well. Over here we got Texas. Yeah, Lone Star Rider. There we go. A little dinner.
You got your tailgate open?
Papa's. Huh? Where you going?
Right here.
You gotta hold my camera for me.
Hmm?
You gotta hold my camera for me.
Okay. Hey Rex, you gonna do me a favor?
Yeah.
Tell me what you think about that queso I put together.
You mean this stuff right here?
Yeah, that stuff right there.
Sure. I bet it's damn good.
Oh, it is. Eric said so. Have you had any more of it?
I have?
You can handle it?
I think that's fine.
Any day now.
I'm getting there. It's pretty damn good. It is good. I like this stuff.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome.
It's Lone Star Rider approved.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
They hanging out, eating on the tailgate together.
Hey, we're having a
Didn't bring
tailgate
any
party.
chairs. See that plate? Look at your plate.
Oh.
He did the cow versus pig on the beef. Yeah. There's Eric.
Yeah.
Chowing down. Chowing down. It's time for Papa
I can't eat all this, by the way.
to go chow down.
Turn my own money. I'll sell them some.
Yeah. Here's Papa's.
Fred was over here playing the guitar.
I said to
said, Papa, he likes raw meat.
It's a girl.
She can.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Peachy B of B's Outdoor Adventures, and these wonderful men, Papa of Texas and Billy of Billy Strong's, have always cooked for us every Lolapalooza. So today I wanted to give back and bring over some lunch for them. So these are soft taco taquitos with cheese, little chips, and soft taco shells, and it is delicious. It's got a little hot bite to it. Y'all look at the yum.
Yum.
The Peachy B is yum. Hello. Thank you so much for allowing me to do this.
That's awesome of you.
You're welcome, because like I said, y'all cook and cook and cook, and it's been the most delicious food I ever had. And y'all really work hard for us. And it's a time to give back and say I'm thank you.
Awesome. We
So
appreciate it.
you were so welcome. So there you got it. And we'll put some cheese on it, and we'll be going to town. Warm these up, and we thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Papa Texas.
Yeah. Gotta have that Uncle Steve's flag out. Yeah. Oh, I got new stickers to put on my board. Look at them all. Look at them all. Yeah. Bill's got the swing grill going, the fire going. Over here is going to be where the cornhole. See that? We're going to be playing cornhole here in a little bit. It's kind of just Billy and I hanging out right now. Everybody else will be back here shortly. Hey, Billy.
Hey, Papa.
What are you doing?
I'm kind of teaching a class here,
A class?
and I'm cleaning this pan for RV Rebel Girl. Hey,
What?
why don't you have your Texas Dutch Oven shirt on, like I do?
I got it dirty. It's Papa. Papa Texas.
Wow.
Billy's teaching the class.
Yes, I put a magnet on the back of yours and I had it up in my van.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Did you have this something?
Good to see you too.
What I did is I heated the burrito up first. I stayed down. And then I just put the queso over it for another 30 seconds in the microwave. And they just down the side.
Right to you, huh?
All right, what do we got?
So, Papa, we've got tacos, burritos, we've got chicken or brisket or beef.
Wow.
And
What is this?
That's a secret ingredient.
His ain't no secret no more.
It's my secret
Am I
ingredient.
supposed to make it or y'all make it?
No, we make it.
Oh,
We serve it.
look,
I want 3 pounds of each. Yeah.
COVID compliant.
I'm gonna go.
but look, everybody's grab a plate. Would you like
I'll go with the
that's the
flour.
way we one of each or
No,
two
just
flowers?
one flour.
One, okay.
Beef. I'm a beef man.
Hamburger or brisket?
Let me look at the brisket. Beef. Hamburger.
Taco.
Well, you can hold it.
He's holding the camera. He's
I'm on the camera.
Went from the 6 to the 8.
Okay.
Peppers
Oh,
and onions.
I gotta move it over.
Next station.
Next.
Beans.
Undone.
Yeah, or down the side.
Oh,
Yeah.
I gotta go there on my motorcycle.
Cheese.
None of that colorful
I
stuff.
met one guy. He went up with, started out near where I
want
did. We got
salsa?
from Fairbanks
I'm
up
good.
to Deadwood.
Okay. Napkin.
Yes, please.
He said he had enough.
Any pork?
Thank you.
No.
Thank y'all.
Carolyn.
Everybody just calls it Took, but it's Took in the toilet.
There's never as far back as what you think.
Billy, go get you a plate.
What's that?
$1,000 call.
Oh, well, heck yeah, you gotta answer that.
Yeah, how was it, Rex? It was good.
I bought a
Let me see, let me see.
Oh my gosh.
We had Homer on the other side, but we
fantastic.
messed it up.
That's great. I love it. The Jack the Beavis and Butthead on the back calves. You made my day. I needed that.
Billy, it's always good to see you.
I don't think they want a lot of
people cooking.
Wow.